Welcome to our channel.
Kanalımıza hoş geldiniz.
First of all, we need lentil, this one. This is vegetable salt. This is red pepper. And 1 lemon. Then olive oil, carrot, and some potatoes. Very simple preparation and very delicious soup, step-by-step preparation for all our subscribers. We love you all. We are starting to preparation chopping onion. You don't need to make small, we're going to use blender afterwards anyway. Let's open our cooking plate. Add some olive oil, it's depend how much you like. For us about 10 gram. We need to rinse lentil before start cooking. Now we need to wash nicely. After washing, we need also to cut 1 carrot and also 1 potato. First onion, and after 1 minute we gonna put potato and carrot together and mix it well. Now we need to mix it well. Look at onion. Let's cut potato and carrot quickly. We are cutting small for cooking faster.
Kolay gelsin.
Teşekkür ederim.
Ayın aç oynarsa. Bir şey oynuyor için.
Now we can add potatoes and carrot. After 1 minute cooking, we can add the lentil and mix it all together. Now we need to add hot water. Time for add firstly hot chili pepper 4 teaspoon. Secondly, we are adding vegetable salt 3 teaspoon. Then we are mix it. Now we can add half lemon juice. Close the pot cover and let it boil 15 minutes.
Thumbs up.
Gross.
Oh, so close. Close this one.
After 15 minutes, we can open cover and blend all together. "20 seconds blending can be enough. You need to observe and decide by yourself."
Wow, huh? Delicious.
If you feel need more blending, it's fine. You can blend 10 more seconds. It's done and dusty, out of this world. Lentil soup ready to serve. Enjoy your healthy lentil soup. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for next video.